Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unbagging. This is for June. Show your colors. I know that there was different bag options. I got the purple one with a lemon slice. It's super cute. And you can kind of see through it there. And the card does show the products, so I will show that at the end. The first item I have is an eyeshadow palette. Very pretty colors. So brown that's matte, and then some shimmery ones. Super cute, definitely something I will use. Then I have Man Eater by Tarte. And that's a mascara. I can't remember if I like that one or not, but I know I've had it before. Then I have Know Your Skin Youth Cream. Age-defying, brightening, nourishing, and moisturizing. Very nice. Have never tried that. That was a very difficult container to get open. There we go. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It's a light pink. Little to no smell to it. So far, so good. Then we have Able Skincare London Hyaluronic Retinol Radical Youth Activator Serum. That's a mouthful. And the last item, Sand and Sky. This is a deep pore cleanser, Australian pink clay. It's awesome. So I'll show you the little card here. Talks about all the products and some more information about them. And this is just the basic Ipsy bag. I do not pay for the more expensive versions. I've just always got the basic one since they changed it. But if you guys would like to subscribe to Ipsy, I have my referral link below. If you want to see past unboxings, I have tons of them. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.